Yes. Okay. So the chapter 5 deals with the Mughal Empire. Mughal Empire was founded by the emperor named Babur. Babur was a small area ruler of Afghanistan. Nowadays, you might have heard about Afghanistan a lot. Taliban has conquered Afghanistan. So this Afghanistan has got a speciality. People in Afghanistan had to fight a lot because it's a mountain area. Terrain is mountain. So walking up and down, moving up and down is not easy. So they have become real fighters. Physically, they become very strong. And Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. So our hero of this beginning of this chapter named Babur, he was ruling in Afghanistan, a small area. Ibrahim Lodi was a ruler of Delhi Sultanate. There were some people who were so much unhappy with the administration of Ibrahim Lodi. You know, it is natural. We cannot make 100% of people happy, whoever be. Okay. We are all sometimes feel unhappy with even God. So that is the situation. So there were people who were unhappy with Ibrahim Lodi. So they went to Afghanistan in search of somebody who can defeat Ibrahim Lodi. They went and met Babur and asked him to come to India, give a blow to Ibrahim Lodi and go back. The persons who invited Babur to India have never thought that Babur will remain in India. They thought he will go back. So they can remove Ibrahim Lodi and they can become the ruler. That was the intention of those persons who went and met Babur. So Babur came with his forces in the year 1526, that is 16th century, first part of the 16th century, and there was a conflict or a battle at the famous battleground named Panipat. Panipat is in UP. Sorry, Haryana, not in Haryana. It is in Haryana. Panipat is in Haryana. There is another place named, a district in Haryana named Kurukshetra. Okay. So at Panipat, it's a flat area, very good agricultural area. Now it is a district headquarter. So the armies of Ibrahim Lodi and Babur met there. They have not come to play football. They have come there to have a competition. Who should rule? Who is very strong? And the chance of losing the head of the losing person is normal. That is the situation. It is not a football competition. Yesterday, Belgium and France had a competition. Sorry, Spain and France had a final in Europe. It is not like a football or a cricket, Chennai and Mumbai. It is not like that.
Chennai also yesterday, RCB and KKR, sir.
Okay. Very good. So it is not like that. Some RCB fans are there, very good. So RCB and Chennai also had a competition on league level, no? Okay. So like that. But if in the modern this cricket and they lose, okay, they lose. They will losing teams will sit and cry. That's all maximum, nothing else. But at that time it was not like that. The losing team may be killed, those who are there, those who are caught, or they will become slaves. They have to listen, accept whatever is told by the winning team. That was the situation at that time. So they met at the famous playground of weapons, that is at Panipat. Ibrahim Lodi thought that he is from India, the fellow who is coming from Afghanistan, what he will do. But Babur could defeat Ibrahim Lodi. So the supporters of Babur who told him to come to India now felt happy, okay, this fellow will go by. But when he came and saw the things, he was not ready to go back. There is a famous statement of Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar was a ruler of Rome. He told once, I came, I saw, I conquered. So he went to Rome, he saw Rome, and he conquered Rome. He became the ruler of Rome. That is of Julius Caesar. You might have heard the stories about here and there at least. So, like this fellow Babur came, Babur was not ready to go back. When he saw the Indian landscape, geographical situations, and the resources plenty available. He has seen only hilly terrains in Afghanistan. Now plain terrains are seen. He was very happy and he was not ready to go back. He decided to stay here. So those who wanted that Babur should go back got fed up. Now what they do? They cannot defeat Babur. They agreed. Now, Babur started to establish his administration. In the year 1526, he established the Mughal Empire. And he lived only for a short period of 4 years in India. That is, 1526 to 1530, he was highly educated, talented fellow. He knew how to read and write. There are books written on him and he himself also has written. That is the situation. And he established his empire in India. His son, named Humayun. In the history when we study, he is said to be one of the lazy fellow. But he was lucky in somehow. Could manage, survive. And he could hand over the power to his son named Akbar. We call him Akbar the Great. Because Indian historical records speak about Akbar's administration, his greatness, his relationship with others, his religious tolerance, his administrative behavior. All those things are appreciated and praised by the society. I cannot hear anything, please don't need speaking. Okay, so that is situation. That Akbar, then Akbar had a son named Jahangir. Jahangir had a son named Shah Jahan. And Shah Jahan had a son named Aurangzeb. These are the 6 important Mughal emperors. After that, Mughal Empire began to decline. The empire came to an end in 1857 after the First War of Indian Independence. So 1526 to 1857, Mughal Empire remained in India. Got disintegrated. It became weak day by day, year by year. All those things we will discuss. Okay, boys, that's enough. A general introduction of the topic. I wish all of you happy vacations. As I gave you the vacation homework, please do it. Have friendly relationship with the members, neighbors, and so on with the corona protocol facilities. Please be careful. Okay? Corona, don't bring him. Keep him out of your area. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I cannot hear you. Please don't speak. No use. I cannot hear. Because the sound is not clear. I told you no use. Okay, so take precautions. Prepare yourself. Have your studies. Read good novels. Then watch good English movies which would give you language confidence. English language. Good English movies are there. Please don't watch all the things in Kannada and Hindi alone. Kannada and Hindi are needed. Do it, mother tongue and national language. But English is a business language. Your survival language. Please learn English also. Use some good movies like Baby's Day Out, Independence, some movies, whichever you like. Baby's Day Out and Son is a very good movie, you like it. Watch it, learn English. National Geographic channels, please watch it and enjoy. Yes, so all those things, vacation time, enjoy.
Happy vacation.
Have Dasara, sweet food, tasty food. Please remember us also. Okay, when you are celebrating, having your celebrations, remember all of us. We hope let us meet together in the school after vacations. If that insect, that small virus named corona is out, we all can enjoy the classes together. We want you should be here. It's very much boring for us without you people. Okay? So prepare. Enjoy the vacations. Enjoy with your parents. Obey the thing, parents. Have sweet materials that is there in your brothers and sisters. Grab it and eat. And fight each other little bit. Friendly fight, don't fight more. Okay? Grab from your brother. If Diwali gifts, the sweets are there, take it from them. Eat. Then laugh. Smile, laugh at them. Then they will come to fight with you. Run, play. Okay? These are all play and enjoyment. That's needed. Don't really fight. Okay? Should be enjoyment. Life should be enjoyment. Okay? See you. Bye. Bye.